Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin inside Settings so you can act immediately. Open Settings and go to Cellular. Once done, confirm your current carrier and whether you use a physical SIM or eSIM so you pick the correct path. Make sure you have the new carrier's activation code or QR and your account credentials at hand. You're doing this now to avoid mid-process lockouts. Backing up first protects you if activation requires a reset. Now tap Cellular to continue to the next step. You'll now add the new plan. If using eSIM, tap Add Cellular Plan and scan the provider QR or enter the SMDP Plus and activation code manually. This allows immediate network provisioning without a card. Once the plan appears, select it and choose to use it as primary or secondary. If using a physical SIM, power off, replace the card, power on, and follow on-screen carrier prompts. This hands control to the provider's profile. Make sure to label the line and confirm mobile data and voice setting. You finish by verifying service. Check signal bars, cellular data options, and that the correct line is selected for calls and data. Once done, make a test call and open a web page to confirm connectivity. If service fails, toggle airplane mode off and on, restart the iPhone, or reinsert the SIM to force a refresh. If that doesn't work, contact the new carrier with your IMEI and account details. They can push provisioning or identify porting issues, so you regain service quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.